Well, Assalamu alaikum ji. मेरा नाम वहाब शाह है. I was born in Dera Ismail Khan. I spent most of the time, in Punjab up until the age of 10. उसके बाद we migrated to Sydney, Australia. That's where I studied. I went to high school there. I did my college. Then after high school, I went to study dance and acting and theatre. So there's an institution by the name of TAFE. That's where I did my bachelor's in performing arts. So when I get to the set, I was clueless. There was this huge camera, there was a set and everything, and I was like, मैं किस तरह से करूँगा? मुझे शॉट्स की उस वक्त इतनी सेंस नहीं थी. तो इकबाल कश्मीरी साहब was a fantastic director. He helped me throughout the way. उन्होंने मुझे बताया कि फिल्म के शॉट्स में किस तरह से आपको शॉट्स बनाने होते हैं. तो मेरे लिए एक बहुत अमेजिंग लर्निंग एक्सपीरियंस था कि एक सीजन्ड फिल्म मेकर, एक सीजन्ड बंदा जिसने इतना काम किया हुआ है, नंबर वन हायर्ड मी, बिलीव्ड इन मी, एंड नंबर टू इज़ टीचिंग मी हाउ टू डू फिल्म का काम. तो उस वक्त मुझे समझ आया कि जस्ट बीइंग गुड एट डांसिंग or choreography in one manner doesn't mean that you can do everything. There is a learning in everything. तो उसके बाद फिर मैंने समझा कि शॉट्स कैसे बनते हैं, शॉट डिविजनिंग क्या होती है. तो मेरे लिए सबसे एक्सपीरियंस और मेमोरेबल एक्सपीरियंस वही रहेगा कि मुझे ऐसा कुछ सीखने को मिला उस फिल्म से. द फिल्म नेवर एंडेड अप कंप्लीटिंग और रिलीजिंग, बट उस एक्सपीरियंस का आई एम रियली थैंकफुल टू इकबाल साहब एंड एवरीथिंग. दैट विल बी विद मी फॉरएवर. Ooh, favorite celebrities. um, Favorite, I don't know. I don't know if I'd like to say anybody who's favorite. My favorite is always the person who works really, really hard, and who brings joy, and who is punctual, and who is low maintenance, and yeah. So I wouldn't really name anybody right now, but I feel people like the people that I've worked with in the recent past. Sohai Abro is a good dancer. Mehwish is a good dancer. Amna Ilyas. इसके अलावा theatre में बहुत ज़्यादा लोग हैं. I mean, I think I've worked with everybody that I don't know if I can really pinpoint the favorites. But again, whoever is punctual, whoever is low maintenance, whoever comes on time, whoever listens to me and soaks in the information is my favorite. I'm working with Maira Khan right now, and I think she's one person who is very professional and is very understanding of what is required of her. So yeah, again, no favorites. 100% I will make a dance film. I will definitely make a dance film, and but I will make it in such a manner that it will be very original in Pakistani. Nothing is original in the world, but in a very original format, which will speak more about who we are as Pakistanis instead of actually imitating what else is being done. So I'm taking my time, but I'll eventually definitely make a film. I think my dream project is not just limited to film. My dream project is that Pakistani dance should have a representation internationally. My dream has always been that Pakistan से या associated to Pakistan एक इस तरह की modern dance की form निकले, which is recognized all around the world, which is performed around the world, and not necessarily me personally doing it, but giving the power to the right people, and creating that niche from Pakistan that becomes the powerhouse and that says in the art form that this is distinct Pakistani dance style. That will be my ultimate aim, and I'm working towards it. Yeah, I think पाकिस्तान में definitely बहुत ज़्यादा मसले मसाइल हैं हर तरह से. I'm on the other hand a believer that if you think about those masails, it'll just limit you. from going forward. So I rather look at it that they're not masails, they're actually small puddles and hurdles that I need to cross over, and they're very tiny. So the less I think about it, the smaller they seem to me. कि मैं उनको बहुत जल्दी अबूर कर सकता हूँ. And I've been able to do everything that I desire in a country like Pakistan. May it be technological dance, to Sufi dance, to filmy dance, to representing Pakistan. It's just because I am true to what I believe in, and I don't look at things that can't be done or that are taboo. So I've never seen any major hurdles stopping me or taboos in Pakistan. It's all good. Support is very important. May it be, as I said, कि from family से भी बड़ी important है कि आपकी support मिले. आपके ये उन लोगों के लिए ये बात करूँगा जो कि अभी डांसर या कोई डांसर नहीं, कोई भी आप प्रोफेशन चूज़ करना चाह रहे हैं. इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कि आपके पेरेंट्स और आपकी जो सोसाइटी है उसको आप आंसरेबल हैं. आप इस दुनिया में रहते हैं, आप लोगों के साथ जगह शेयर करते हैं. So whatever you're doing, you should have a justification for it. You should be able to communicate to people. You should be able to tell people, what you're in it for. So you do your research really, really nicely, and don't be afraid of telling your parents what you believe in. So the support system is only stronger once you are clear as to what you want. So once your clarity starts becoming clearer, and you start telling people what you believe in, yes, there might be शुरू में थोड़े से हर्डल्स होंगे कि लोग कहेंगे कि नहीं तुम ये तो इसमें गलत है, तो उसमें गलत है, उसमें गलत है. लेकिन अगर आपका सपोर्ट सिस्टम अंदर से सही है तो आप हर चीज़ को चेंज कर सकते हैं. सो सपोर्ट सिस्टम इज़ इम्पॉर्टेंट बिकॉज यू हैव टू टेल द पीपल what you're about. And when they start believing in you, your circle starts becoming stronger and stronger and stronger. So believe in everything that you do. Be true to yourself, be true to your parents, be true to your siblings, be true to your community, and know your work and know your research, and your support system will increase. I'm a dreamer, and I'm a lazy dreamer, to be honest. When I'm not doing anything, I'm literally not doing anything. But on the other hand, I love traveling, so I'll get any opportunity. I'll just catch a flight and go to some exotic part of the world or a busy part of the world. Go and watch a musical. Go and do something that I really feel like doing. Maybe I don't know. Maybe just going around the world, speaking to people, or sometimes just being lazy in bed and just not doing anything and eating and bungee eating. So that's me. Besides dancing, is just not dancing. But yeah, I do a lot of thinking though. I do a lot of thinking. I do a lot of research. I kind of plan everything pre-handedly, so I have a lot of ideas generally bottled up. So I know that I need to do this, I need to do this, I need to do this. So when opportunities come up, I'm ready to kind of go through my homework, Rolodex, and kind of just say, okay, all right, so this is you can do this. No, okay, let's do something else. So I do a lot of research. And lazy. Yes. Traveling definitely helps in your creativity. I would say to it, be the best you can be and dance forever. What I'd like to say to all the dreamers and all the believers, and I'm not just talking about dancers, I'm talking about every single art form. The artist is inside you, and every single person on this earth is born with an art. But it's very important for you to recognize it, get it polished. And if you're not getting the right places to go and polish it, आपके हाथ में है. You can use this to either do good things, bad things, worse things, or amazing things. So everything is here for you. If you believe in something, then really believe in it and don't just say it. Physically get up and do something about it. And you will see, aaj, kal, parson, they will turn around. दे विल टर्न अराउंड एंड बिलीव यू, अगर आपका बिलीव सिस्टम सही है। तो अगर आप बिलीव करते हैं कि आप दुनिया की कोई भी चीज़ फतह कर सकते हैं, तो आप कर सकते हैं। सिर्फ कहना इम्पॉर्टेंट नहीं है, उसका करना बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट है, अमल बहुत ज़रूरी है। सो जो भी आप बिलीव करते हैं, गेट अप, स्टार्ट डूइंग इट राइट नाउ, इंतज़ार मत करें। ओके जी, सो मेरे प्लान में बहुत चीज़ें शामिल होती हैं। व्हाट आई एम गोना बी डूइंग इन 2018, एक तो मेरी 2 फिल्म्स रिलीज़ हो रही हैं 2017-2018 में, रंगरेज़ा एंड 7 दिन मोहब्बतें, विच इज़ ड्यू टू रिलीज नेक्स्ट ईयर। सो लुक आउट फॉर दोज। आई ट्राई डूइंग समथिंग वेरी डिफरेंट, और उसको मैंने कोशिश की है कि कुछ नए तरीके से हम रिप्रेजेंट कर सकें। फिर साइमल्टेनियसली अब व्हेन आई कम बैक टू द हाबशा डांस कंपनी, I am also trying to open up studios and trying to expand myself out of Pakistan, out of which one platform being Dubai. So most probably, if not next year, we would be hopefully having a representation in Dubai as well. And simultaneously, what I'm going to be doing is I'm working on some contemporary pieces. एक मेरा contemporary piece है, which is a work in progress. It's about a Sufi poet who belonged to Sindh. तो उन पे एक सोलो परफॉर्मेंस है 1.5 घंटे का, विद कोलैबोरेशन विद लाइव म्यूजिक, and all these other artists and art forms are going to be combined together, and that piece is going to be ready for an international audience to represent Pakistan as a solo artist in different festivals, and so you'll get to see that. So अगर आपको कहीं नज़र आए कि वहाबशा डांस कंपनी और वहाबशा is performing, book your tickets.